welcome back to my YouTube channel that's called Las Aventuras de Isabela. My name is Isabel, and today I'm going to be showing you the cicadas. The cicadas live under the dirt for 14 years, or maybe more. They also drink the roots of the trees. Also, the cicadas take out their skin and leave it there. It looks like it's real and they're still alive. But if you see them with like that, without the skin, that means that they're probably still alive. And they put their skin anywhere. The boy cicadas call the female cicadas, the girl cicadas, to put their very eggs under the dirt, and then the female cicadas get out and die. The cicadas, when they get out the dirt, they might die very quick. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. Bye! Remember, the cicadas don't do nothing to you, but they do bother a lot, their noise. See you guys in the next one. Bye! And don't forget to put like, subscribe, and put the notification bells. Bye!